Having missed the Cape Town Knife Show for some years, I was delighted to be able to attend this year. Held at the Tyger Valley Shopping Centre, we set out early from the southern suburbs to attend.
Hi, this is Chris from Jackal Blades. We're at Cape Town Cape Knife Show in Tyger Valley. Thanks for watching.
Was it worth it? Almost impossible to see everything.
Wayne Zitzman. I'm from Border in East London. I'm the chairman of Border Knife Making in East London. And I've been doing knife for about 30 years as a hobby. It's a passion of mine since a very, very young age, as a little boy, as I can remember. And I'm 58 and I still love doing it.
Oh, we're making custom handmade hunting knives and then trying to make the best.
My name is Philip Dunn Blades. I've been making knives for 11, 12 years. I focus on combat style knives, traditional slip joints. I'm a South African guild member. I enjoy quill-on daggers and big bowies.
Hi, my name is Andre and it's APO Knives.
It was just one extraordinary table to the next. The level of craftsmanship on show was truly amazing. The range covered everything from folding knives to swords and everything in between.
My name is Francois Coetzee and it's Francois Coetzee Knives, and I like to make big daggers.
Passion was the hallmark of the morning, and I was fortunate to share it with a friend who always appreciates a fine blade. Koba settled for a fine kiradashi, and myself with a fine custom all-purpose blade. When one moves amongst your own tribe, it is always special, and today was no exception. I am already making a mental note for next year and look forward to another crop of extraordinary blades. See you in 2026.